This is a quick video on how to import Xradia CT scans into Fiji so you can then transform them into whatever file format you want, in particular NRRD files to import into Slicer. You need Fiji. I'm assuming you know how to download that. And you also need the Fiji XRM importer, which you can find just by searching for Fiji XRM import. And then you need to install this plugin in the appropriate place. It tells you where to do it. You should be able to figure that out. Once you have that, you need the XRM file. This is the reconstructed volume, or I'm sorry, the TXM file. This is the reconstructed volume here. If you have the TXRM file, that is the raw projections, not the reconstructed volume, and you really want the TXM file, which is your reconstructed volume. To have that, you go to File, Import, gotta scroll all the way down to get the TXM import, and then you navigate to the right file. I have it here. Now this is a large scan. Our Xradia scanner makes large files, so it takes a few minutes to import.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that it's finished importing, there's some metadata information, what's in the process of importing. And most important one here is the voxel size, which is in microns. This you need to remember import because it's not necessarily saved when you try and export the file to another format like NRRD. Okay, now it's finished loading. You can sort of page through and see what it is. This happens to be a fruit fly in Dominican amber. Very cool little specimen. So then we can say image properties. And we want to put the voxel size in here. So 0.0053 millimeters, because 1 micron is 1,000th of a millimeter. We have 0.53 microns, so it's 0.53 millimeters or 0.000, I'm sorry, 0.0053 millimeters. We set that. You can see over here that it changed from pixels to millimeters, so we are all set. I'm going to do save as and RRD, save where we were. And then we're all finished. There is an NRRD file that you can then import into Slicer or wherever else you like.